Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So what I'm doing today is experimenting with a translucent pearl base coat. And I saw Rinske Douna do a Dutch pour with a translucent base coat, which I thought was really, really beautiful. And then I had two different Patreons that I teach monthly. They were also encouraging me to experiment with a translucent base coat for the pearl technique. So that's it. And basically I just took the white paint out of it and I'm still kind of dialing in the recipe. So that's a magenta and a autumn leaf by TriArt. And that's a very nice indigo and Payne's gray mix. And then that's Rebulite and raw sienna, also by TriArt. Those are pigments. And then that is a bright orange gold by Charvin, and then that's white. So here's my canvas that I painted, and then that's a really light pink and a burgundy cloud over mix. So what's really cool about this is that base coat, what I'm putting down now, will actually dry clear, so that the paint that is underneath it that I put on the canvas to start with will show through. And I feel like there's so many different things you could do with this. And I really want to kind of figure out what works the very best for this recipe. And then I will share that with you in the coming weeks. Right now, I just wanted to show you this pretty little painting, and I hope you like it. At the end of this video, I will announce the challenge for the Massey Art Studio Facebook group, and then he will put that challenge on his Facebook group as well. So I'll put a link below to the group, and that's a fun little challenge that they're doing monthly. So all right, I hope you like this, and just have a wonderful Sunday and have a really beautiful, beautiful day. All right, we'll talk soon. Take care. Bye.